Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate always on display feature on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first of all, you can open your settings application on your phone and you're going to tap on the lock screen setting. And here you can activate your always on display feature. You just need to click on this toggle button to activate it. Tap on this button and now my always on display feature has been activated, and you can click on this option if you want to set your always on display feature. Okay, and basically the always on display feature will allow you to show a clock and notification when your phone is in use, and you can select tap to show always, show as scheduled, or show for a new notification. You can choose it as you want. You can also customize the clock style for your always on display. So for example, I'm gonna go with this one. You can also change the color, and after you're done you just need to click on done. Okay, and here you can customize your always on display feature on your phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate always on display feature on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.